Behind the scenes. Alright guys, so it is the next day, so let's get into the vlog for the next day. Yay! We got the SpongeBob's. Warning, these stunts are performed by a professional idiot, and if you do this air horn prank on people, people get really mad and probably try to beat you up, so I would not suggest doing this. I'm just an idiot kid, and if I were to get taken, I am a Christian, so Jesus would protect me. No excuses. I'm for real. Do not do this unless you are a trained idiot and professional. Bye-bye. See you guys, I'm here right now at my house. I have my scooter with me, I have my air horn, and I have tape. I'm going to tape my air horn to my scooter, and when people come by, I'm going to honk my air horn at them, so let's get it. You know, just chilling on my scooter, just chilling. Oh, sorry, stranger. It doesn't work. I won't scare you. Psych. Look at that motion, guys. It's so sick, bro. Let's go get some people. Alright, it seems like all the cars are gone, so let's just do some scooter tricks. Fernando. Even speeding's not allowed. Really? Daisy, go inside. Miley, go inside. Guys, inside. Inside, I said. Inside. Inside. Oh, there's a car coming. Daisy, get out of the way. Daisy! Come here. You dummy, there's a car coming. Godly. Take that too, fella. Trying to run over my doggy. Yeah, okay. Okay, buddy. Alright guys, that's going to end today's video. I hope you like, subscribe, and hit the bell down below and comment. I want a shout out, and I'll give you a shout out because we're starting shout outs again. And today's shout out goes to a Sacrifice Life YT. Bye.